Can you get me out from behind the tree? This is great. The Adventures of Chatty Gamer and the Rainy who refused to give up on her. Ooh, let's go see Cherry. Yes, yes. Go, my noble steed. Bring me to Cherry. See if you can do this in 10 minutes. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Fucking go, go, go. This does not seem like it's gonna be 10 minutes. Arch, not you. God. I believe in you, Rainy. I believe in you. You can cry all you want, fucker. It's nearly 8 a.m. for her, yes. Yeah, she's probably in bed. She's probably going to be in bed for a little bit. Ooh, excuse me. Why not? Because fuck you, that's why. Yeah, she's probably going to be sleeping. She was up till like 4 a.m. with us. Oh, she was up till like 4:30. 5:30 her time. Oh, I knew it. Rainy is gonna sell me off for bells. God damn it. I knew this day would come. I'm gonna be sold off for like 50 bells. Who is asleep? Who is sleeping? Who is it? Ryder. Ryder is asleep. Uh-oh. You confused your resolve for ability? Oh no. Oh, I believe in you. It's only taken us 2 fucking minutes to get across the shop. We should be able to get across the fucking island in 10 minutes.
Run.
Run. Hey, in that 10 minutes, I might have my controller charged. Oh my... Oh, did Max get scared? Oh, take a picture! This is straight up madness. Flick! Pure, utter madness. Hey, I am okay with running this timer out, and then my controller will be charged-ish. It should be 100% after 10 minutes, right? That seems right. Seems right. Hey, we've made it to the residential services. Uh-oh. No. Y'all have no faith. I think 10 minutes is perfectly fine for some Switch controllers. I don't see how this could go wrong in the slightest. I'll have to, Rainy, I'll have to give you like, I will have to pay you for your services. I'll pay you 5 whole bells for you ferrying my ass across the island. Wow. Wow. Damn. You. Did you get the worst partner? Arch. Okay, Arch is sleeping on the goddamn couch tonight. This motherfucker actually shouts from the other room. Not only do you let people carry you in Apex, you let people carry you in Animal Crossing too. How fucking dare. I'm gonna leave him outside. I'm gonna lock his ass outside. Oh my god. Yeah, both Rainy. Yeah, Eva's like that bitch. Did you send me a picture, Corgo? I didn't get it. Oh, now I got it. Is it cute? Oh my fucking dog. This dog. This fucking dog. Alright, alright. This dog right here. I know it's kind of hard to see. There we go. That's my pillow he's cuddling with. And he's like, hey, this is my pillow now. Oh my god. He's too cute. He's too fucking cute. I can't. I can't handle. Cannot handles. We maybe should stop by the Able and get me running shoes. Right. Oh my god. Sprint shoes! Hey, we're almost there! We're almost there! I believe in you! Now the major question is, are you gonna be able to get me up the stairs? That's what I'm wondering about. Can you push me up the stairs? Cherry, don't worry, we will hear. Watch Cherry not be home. Watch Cherry be wandering around the island instead of being home. Taxi? Where'd you go? Oh, that's good. Where is... Fucking eyes. Go, Rainy, go! Rainy fucking MVP. You can do it, Rainy! You can do it! 3 minutes! 3 minutes! I believe in you! I believe in you! Oh my god. I feel rainy. So there was, I was watching somebody, there was a group of friends who wanted to play volleyball, but they didn't have a net. Or no, it was football. And what they did is one of the friends put on a little football like hat, and they just pushed him from one side to the other of the field. Oh, it's the cutest thing. This whole part has to be made into a highlight for real though. I've been keeping some timestamps, and yeah, this part is definitely happening. Are we almost to Cherry's house? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, the stairs actually go by easier than I thought. I'm saying that, but I have no idea. I have no idea if that's actually really difficult right now. Ooh, less than 2 minutes. Come on, Rainy. Oh, I'm actually getting excited watching myself just get pushed. Come on, let's go. Let's get Cherry. I don't know where Cherry's at. I think she's on the very top to the left, but I don't know. I believe in you, Rainy. I believe in you. Lord Helix away! Please, oh great Lord Helix, guide us. Chatty is a potato shamer. Wait, when did the potato command appear? What the fuck? When did you add that in? The hell? Oh, I see Cherry! I see her! Go, Rainy! Go, Rainy, go! We're almost there! I see her! Go! Rainy, go! Go! I believe in you! Cherry! Cherry, come here! Cherry! Just push me into the bitch. Just push me over to her. We got this. Oh,
Run.
Come back! Jerry, no! Oh my god, why are you running away from me? Oh, she went after a bug.